Okay. Screen is visible, Malika.
Yes, ma'am.
तो लुक बैक इन एंगर का थोड़ा सा हम लोग ब्रीफ कर लेते हैं, बैक करते हैं. So first of all, before starting this play, so we need to focus about the characters, बेटा. Okay. तो कैरेक्टर्स कौन कौन से हमारे, बिकॉज दिस इज योर लुक बैक इन एंगर प्ले है हमारा. तो उसकी जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जिम्मी पॉटर. जो जिम्मी पॉटर हैं प्ले के मेन कैरेक्टर है, मेन हीरो बोल सकते हैं आप इसको, कि मेन हीरो ऑफ द प्ले. जिम्मी पॉटर मेन कैरेक्टर ऑफ द प्ले. एलिसन पॉटर उनकी वाइफ है, जिम्मीज की, है ना, जिम्मीज वाइफ. एंड क्लीफ लुइस फ्रेंड टू बोथ जिम्मी एंड एलिसन. दोनों के फ्रेंड हैं, वो अच्छे फास्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं. देन आफ्टर हेलेना चार्ल्स, एलिसन का जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, हेलेना चार्ल्स ऑल्सो एलिसन बेस्ट फ्रेंड. देन आफ्टर कर्नल रेडफिन, एलिसन के फादर है, ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी आर सीइंग हियर, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द प्ले. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जॉर्ज बॉर्न जो है, उनका जो बॉर्न पीरियड है 12 दिसंबर 1929 है. देन आफ्टर वी कैन से सिंपली ड्रामाटिस्ट एक्टर, ही इज अ ड्रामाटिस्ट एक्टर, स्क्रीन प्ले राइटर ऑल्सो. जॉन जो ऑसबोर्न है, ही इज अ ड्रामेटिस्ट एक्टर, स्क्रीन प्ले राइटर, थिएटर मैनेजर एंड एंटी एस्टैब्लिशमेंट राइटर, आइडेंटिफाइड विद द ब्रिटिश लेफ्ट विंग. तो बिकॉज ये जो प्ले जब कंडक्ट किया गया था, जब रखा गया था, तो उस समय सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद में इसकी थीम रखी गई थी. उस समय हमने ये देखा था कि कितनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही थी, मतलब बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स, और लोग कितने फेस कर रहे थे प्रॉब्लम्स को, है ना. तो उसके बेस पे ये थीम रखी गई है कि लुक बैक इन एंगर. ठीक है, इतना क्लियर है. देन आफ्टर वी कैन से द थर्ड प्ले इज ऑल्सो लुक बैक इन एंगर है, वॉन हिम फेम एंड एक्सेप्टेंस. देन आफ्टर लुक बैक इन एंगर क्रिएटेड ए न्यू सेंसेशन, एक न्यू सेंसेशन क्रिएट करता है. दाउ मोस्ट क्रिटिक्स अटैक द प्ले एज unpromising. Then, after the play became popular mainly because it gave theatrical voice to the frustration, disillusionment, and of the young generation of British. है ना, ब्रिटिश में जब यंग जनरेशन में जब प्रॉब्लम.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
इशिता,
यस मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा।
गुड
स्क्रीन अभी
मॉर्निंग।
विजिबल नहीं है ना? एक सेकेंड रुको। स्क्रीन विजिबल है इशिता? ये बताओ पहले।
नो मैम।
नो। एक सेकेंड, कुछ एरर आ रहा है इसमें। ना ओके इशिता?
नो मैम, आप ही दिख रहे हो।
नहीं विजिबल हो रही है। जस्ट ए मिनट। अब बताओ।
यस मैम।
विजिबल है, चलो ठीक है। ओके, so very good morning Ishita. So now
गुड
we are
मॉर्निंग।
just going about the topic of group discussion. So first of all, we are just discussing about the discussion, and topics are definition of group discussion, and prerequisites of a group discussion, benefits in group discussion, silent features, do's and don'ts in group discussion, important points in group discussion, accept criticism, suggestions, topics of importance frequently discussed. So now we are just going to start about the about from these topics in discussion. So definition of group discussion is group discussion is a modern method. First of all, this is a very modern method of assessing a student's personality. So now with the help of this PPT, yeah, with the help of this lecture, we are just talking about the assessment. We are just assessing our students' personality with the help of group discussion, right? So it is both a technique and an art. Okay, so why we are saying this thing, this is a technique or an art, and a comprehensive tool to judge the worthiness of the student and his appropriateness for the job. So during discussion, during group discussion, we are just want to know about the student personality, what type of personality he is having. Okay, and their comprehensive tool, what does it mean ki comprehensive style, ki he or she is can express their views, express their ideas well or not. Okay, so this is a technique and and an art. So now the term suggests a discussion among group of person. So first of all, this is a very important, this is a group activity. Okay, so this is a group activity in discussion among a group of persons. The group will have 8 or 12 members, maybe 6, 8, 12 member. It is up to depend on the board, yeah, depend on the member of board, or depend on the interviewer. Okay, so how many candidate, how many candidate will perform or not. So the group will have 8 or 12 members who will express their views freely, frankly, in a friendly manner. So this is the also a good technique and a good art, we can say, on a topic of current issues. So within a time limit of 20 to 30 minutes, the abilities of the members of the group is measured. So now time is duration is also there, time limit is also there. Okay, so now what we are just trying, we are just taking, and we are just understanding about the limit, time limit. Okay, 20 to 30 minutes, the abilities of the members. Okay, so now we are just checking and we are just assessing students personality and their topics, कि उनकी टॉपिक पे कितनी कमांड है. दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग कि एट ए टाइम कि they are just assigning to you different topics, different GD topics. Now you members are capable or not. Okay, so this is the ability they are just checking during the group discussion. I hope Ishita, am I clear to you?
यस मैम।
है ना बेटा, क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि वी आर जस्ट असेसिंग, है ना, असेसमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम हमारा जो असेसमेंट है बच्चे को लेके, एक स्टूडेंट को लेके, एक कैंडिडेट को लेके किस तरह का हमारा परसेप्शन है, किस तरह का हम मतलब किस तरह की क्वालिटीज को वी आर जस्ट चेकिंग, है ना, उनका जो असेसमेंट है नाउ वी आर जस्ट discussing here. So, prerequisites of a group discussion, topics given by panelist कह दो या interviewer कह सकते हैं, है ना, या board members. So they, these are some, topics given by panelists. Planning and preparation, this is the very most important thing in communication and during the discussion, कि without planning and without preparation we are nothing actually. Okay, मतलब हम कितने भी how much we are confident, how much we are qualified, doesn't matter, it is matter it matter it is planning and preparation. So I also told you about the coder एक वर्ड बताया था मैंने आप लोगों को जब हम लोग राइटिंग की बात कर रहे थे, है ना, when we were discussing about the writing pattern, writing style, writing, how to start the writing. Okay, so before starting writing our coder, you know um, coder should be clear. First of all, what is coder? Coder is coder, like concise. First of all, we need to concise our topic, we need to concise our writing. Then after, it should be in order. Then after, you should draft whatever you are want to say or not. Then after, editing is also very important. Then after, revision. Okay, so these are some points we need to discuss and we need to prepare. Okay, so planning and preparation is the most important thing in any interview, yeah, in any discussion. So knowledge with self confidence is also very important thing. Your knowledge, okay, suppose if you are if you are daily you are just updating yourself ki what is going on nowadays, है ना, current issues, current affairs, है ना, and general science, general awareness, so you will be more comfortable during the GD. Okay, why? Because we are just sharing our knowledge, because our topic is not clear. Okay, कि which topic they are just assigning us. ओके, तो इन जीडी में कोई एक फिक्स नहीं है कि आपसे ये टॉपिक पूछे जाएगा. ओके, क्लियर है इतना? क्लियर है इशिता इतना?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो ये बेटा कोई प्लानिंग नहीं है, कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब कि फिक्स टॉपिक है कि आपसे ये टॉपिक पूछा जाएगा. ओके, इट इज डिपेंड ऑन योर नॉलेज विद सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. ओके, दैट इज द मोर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज योर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, राइट? So communication skills and power of speech is also very important. We are just focusing about the speech. Okay, speech, power of speech. Then after your presentation, and in presentation we can say ki we are just presenting ourselves, we are just presenting our way and body language and personal appearance. This is very important. Your gestures, your postures, and your sitting style, your standing style, these are very important thing actually during the discussion. Okay, कि they are just checking your officer like qualities. Okay, from discussion, yeah, from writing part, they are just checking your personal appearance. Being calm and cool, this is also very important thing, Ishita, कि being calm and cool. First of all, जब when we have interview, या when we have presentation, या when we have any kind of sort of interview, तो we are just बहुत ज्यादा हम लोग ना परेशान, एकदम घबरा जाते हैं, मतलब एक तरह से अरे क्या आ गया प्रॉब्लम, है ना, मतलब क्या होगा, क्योंकि दिस इज अ मैटर ऑफ जॉब एक्चुअली. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देखो, बीइंग काम और कूल रह के यू कैन परफॉर्म वेल. ओके, अगर आप काम नहीं हो, इफ यू आर नॉट फीलिंग वेल, इफ यू आर नॉट फीलिंग गुड, तो बेटा यू विल नॉट प्रेजेंट योर सेल्फ वेल. ओके, अच्छे से प्रेजेंट नहीं कर पाओगी. ओके, तो द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज बीइंग काम एंड कूल. देन आफ्टर देखो, एक्सटेंसिव नॉलेज. So extensive knowledge base related to state, country, and globe. So again, I'm repeating same thing to you. You must have knowledge of related to state, country, and globe, what is going on, and how according to era. Okay, which there are lot of point we need to discuss. Areas are politics, sports, science, and trade. commerce, industry, and technology, MNC, etc. So these are some points, these are some areas we need to cover actually. Okay, we need to cover these areas. Okay, so these are some areas: politics and sports, science, trade, commerce, industry. So these are some area we need to cover actually, because general awareness, GD discussion. So point topic is not fixed actually. Okay, they are just discussing, they are just they are just discussing about the politics, they are just discussing about the sports. So these are basic points actually. Science, trade, industry, technology, areas, politics, these are some basic points you need to cover. So then after analyze the social economical issues, this is very very important बेटा. ये क्वेश्चन जो रेज होते हैं इन्हीं में से होते हैं, सोशल एरिया, इकोनॉमिकल इश्यूज. ओके, these are very very important part of the discussion. Listening skills, this is also very important, you must listen. Okay, suppose somebody is not participating, somebody is not saying anything, you just support, you just listen carefully and just promote and just guide to other, guide, you can guide your group also. Okay, this is the most important thing. If somebody is feeling shy and not able to and not capable to speak, and hesitation is there, so you can, this is also we can say officer like qualities and the leadership qualities also we can say. Okay, so you just guide. हाँ, आप किसको गाइड कर सकते हो बोलने के लिए, आप उसको बोल सकते हो आप उससे. ठीक है, दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. सो इंटरव्यू क्या चेक कर रहे हैं आपकी, एक्चुअली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे आर जस्ट चेकिंग योर इंडिविजुअल क्वालिटी, individual personality, and also as well they are just assessing कि you are just team leader also. ओके, कि आपके अंदर वो टीम लीडरशिप है, आपके अंदर वो टीम लीडरशिप क्वालिटी है, मतलब कि आप पूरे ग्रुप को लीड कर रहे हो. दिस इज द ऑल्सो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग है ना, कि हमें सिर्फ अपने बारे में नहीं सोचना है कि कि हम सिर्फ अपना सिलेक्शन चाहते हैं, कि वी आर नॉट सपोर्टिंग टू अदर्स. ओके, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. इशिता,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना. एंड कॉपरेशन, देखो कॉपरेशन इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, वी नीड टू कॉपरेट टू अदर्स. ओके, हमें कॉपरेट कहाँ करना है, वी आर जस्ट कॉपरेटिंग टू आर ग्रुप. ओके, then after benefits in group discussion, so stimulation of thinking in a new way, this is very important thing, just stimulate. Okay, stimulation of thinking in a new way, expansion of knowledge, understanding of your strength and weakness. This is also very important. During the discussion we can understand our strength and our weakness. Your true personality is revealed. First of all, here crystal clear things are there. Okay, so we cannot say कि my personality is good and yours personality is bad, and this is this and this is that, because these all things are crystal clear things, because we are we cannot make them fool, because they are officers people are there, high qualified, they are experienced people are there, so we cannot say कि we cannot hide our personality front of them. Okay, this is the most important thing actually, कि everything is revealed actually, है ना, personality is revealed, true personality is revealed, and qualities of leadership किस टाइप. तो these things are very very important actually, we cannot hide and we cannot actually say like that कि I am this and I am that, है ना, because everything is like crystal clear. Okay, आपकी जो honesty and your true personality and your actual personality is visible actually. Okay, कि हम we cannot fake them. Okay, हम वहां पे बच्चों हम ये नहीं कह सकते हैं कि नहीं I did it best, मैंने बहुत अच्छा किया, है ना. तो वो सब चीज है, अभी से आप लोग प्रिपेयर करते रहोगे. इफ यू आर preparing from today onwards about the GD, about the discussion, about the communication, so so then after you can make or you can perform well actually, right. So this thing is very very important. These are benefits in group discussion. Okay, now benefits of group discussion: provide chance to expose language skills, academic knowledge, your leadership skills, people handling skills. This is also very important. You are just handling situation. This is a what situation, कि you are just handling situation according to time. Teamwork, again we have discussed teamwork, team quality, teamwork. Okay, this is also leadership quality, कि we need to help, we need to support, we need to cooperation.
This is the very important. General knowledge, this is also again very important part, because if you are aware, if you are having general knowledge, okay, so then you can speak on any topic without having any hesitation. Okay, first of all, your knowledge is high and your knowledge is good, and you are having a good knowledge, so nobody can like say anything to you. Okay, you are not having such knowledge. Okay, so जनरल नॉलेज इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो प्लीज आप लोग अपनी मतलब जनरल नॉलेज को अपडेट करते रहो, है ना. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा आपके डिस्कशन में बच्चों. सो यू नो इशिता, if you're having general awareness and general knowledge, so you can speak on any topic beta, है ना. अभी we have just discussed about the politics and the general views, sciences, technologies. Okay, this is depend on your up to date knowledge, day by day knowledge, day by day classes, and day by day जो भी आप हम लोग gain करें, that is very important during the discussion, right? So now silent features of GD. Topics may be given to judge. Now what is the meaning, and why we are just conducting GD, and we are just checking, and we are just topic may be given to judge your public speaking talent. Okay, so what they are just assessing and what they are checking, they are just assessing and checking speaking talent. You are having such talent or not. Okay, discussion revolves around a specific subject. So my dear student, the most important thing discussion revolves around a specific subject. Whatever topic they have assigned to you, yeah, whatever topic they assigned to in your group, so they are just specified subject revolves around a discussion. This is the most important thing. So you no need to add any irrelevant ideas during discussion. So this is the most important thing, कि specific subject revolves around a discussion, right? The examiner does not interfere. First of all, the most important thing is the examiner does not interfere. He or she is not saying anything once he announced the topic. This is the most important thing, कि first of all, the examiner, the interviewer, any interview officer does not interfere. They will not say anything to you once he announced the topic, right? So maintain cordially and free expression of thought and your opinion. This is a very important thing. If frankly, freely, okay. So expression of thought is very important. So you need to very important thing is कि आपके जो expressions हैं, आपके जो thought हैं, वो आपके अच्छे होने चाहिए, right? During discussion. So these things they are just assessing, and these things they are just checking during discussion, right? So do's in group discussion. So appropriateness to the to the issues, make original points, support them by substantial reasoning. This is a very important thing, कि whatever topic you have they have assigned to you, so support them by substantial reasoning. Okay, logical views, logical ideas, logical points. So listen to the other participants actively and carefully. This is the most important thing, Ishita, ki listen carefully. Okay, participants listen to the other participants actively and carefully. So this is the most leadership quality. So you must listen carefully, and take participate. You're actively just participate. Then after whatever you say must be with a logical flow. So during discussion, yeah, whatever topic is going on, so we need to focus and must be with a logical flow, and validate it with an example as far as possible. So now we are just putting some ideas, we are just putting some examples as far as possible, because your examples, your logical views, your logical points, okay, and logical validate points are checking. Okay, so make only accurate statement. This is also very important, ki just make only accurate. Okay, make only accurate statements. Then after do's in group discussion, modulate the volume. This is also very important thing, कि we just need to focus about the volume also, because 6 and 8 members, 12 members are there, so we need to modulate the volume, pitch and tone accordingly. So be considerate to the feelings of the other. This is a very important thing, Ishita. If you are considerate to the feelings of the others, कि what others are saying, ऐसा नहीं कि हम उनको काट रहे हैं बीच बीच में, है ना, क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. This is the bad quality actually, कि we are not listening to others carefully. This is the quality also, and they are also making some points on that. Okay, कि you are having some patient or not. So be considerate to the feelings of the others. Okay, and just give chance to others. This is also quality. Try to get your turn. This is also very important. Just take time. Just try to get your turn. First of all, that does not mean that we are just crossing to others. Okay, this is bad habit during the discussion. Be an active and dynamic. Very important. Active. Your activeness, your listening actively, and your dynamic personality, or participant by listening. Very important. Active and dynamic participant by listening. So talk with confidence. Okay, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to convey, so talk with confidence first of all. Okay, and self assurance. Then after dawns during group discussion, being shy and nervous, keeping isolated, that is very very important thing. Ki you are not supposed to keeping yourself isolate from GD. Okay, कि they are not checking, they are not saying anything to you, है ना, आपको इंटरफेयर नहीं कर रहे हैं. दैट इज नॉट मीन कि यू आर जस्ट सिटिंग ओनली आइडियल. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बीइंग शाय, नर्वस, कीपिंग आइसोलेट from GD, these things not allowed actually, right? So interrupting another, this is also bad habit. Interrupting another, we are just interrupting another, disturbing others people, है ना. So participant before his arguments are over. This is a very important thing, कि interrupting another participant before his arguments are over. First of all, let them complete, let them finish, let them complete his or her statement. Then after you can say anything. Okay, during discussion, during conversation, you are not supposed to make any argue. So speak in favor. Example, establish your position, stand by its stubbornly. Changed opinions, don't make fun of any participant even if his arguments are funny. So this is the also again we are adding another point, very important thing, कि we are not supposed to make fun of any participant. Either he or she is weak, either he or she is not able, his arguments are not suitable, like you are feeling कि arguments are funny. So please do not make fun of any participant even if his arguments are funny, right? These are some don'ts during group discussion. We are not supposed to do these things. Okay, so don'ts is during the group discussion, don't engage yourself in subgroup conversation. This is also very very important thing. And do not repeat and use irrelevant materials. Addressing yourself to the examiner, worrying about making some grammatical mistake for your interest, the matter you put across are the important. So worrying about suppose during conversation, during GD, don't feel like that ki worrying, you are just worrying about making some grammatical mistake for your interest, the matter you put across the across are important, right? So important points in group discussion. Now these are very very important points we are just discussing over here. Be assertive. First of all, be assertive, be natural, be positive. Okay, in any discussion, in any interview, this thing is a very very important. An assertive person is direct. Assertive person, positive person, cool person, calm person, always direct, always honest, careful about not hurting others, and self-respect. Hurting others and self-respect. So patient listener, listening to another person is one way of showing appreciation. Right language, words can make friends, and right words at the right time make the best results. This is very very important thing. So be analytical and fact oriented. It is necessary to make relevant points which can be supported with facts and analyzed logically. These very important thing, कि be analytical and fact oriented point should be there, fact oriented. And it is necessary to make relevant points which can be supported with facts and analyzed logically. So accept criticism is also very important. If we are not so if any member of the group criticizes or disapproves a point, it is unwise to get upset or react sharply. In case the criticism is see, the same can be pointed out politely. Maximize participation. One must try to contribute fully, vigorously, steadily throughout the discussion. Show leadership quality, show leadership ability. A group discussion also evaluates your leadership qualities. So my dear students, so all over the discussion and all over the view of discussion is in group discussion ki we are just checking and we are just evaluating leadership quality from the candidate. कि सपोज आपकी कहीं पोस्ट मिलती है तो दे आर जस्ट चेकिंग कि योर लीडरशिप you are having leadership qualities or not. So this is the very important thing. So accept someone's point of view, praise the argument. Example, remedy English. Communication is necessary for college students because they fail in communication skill test. So we have seen lot of time, and we are also discussing many time ki students have completed BTech, MTech, MBA, BBA, but they are not having good communication skill. Why? Because they are not practicing, and they are having hesitation, feeling shy. Okay, this is the basic things are there कि he or she is not express herself well front of people or front of stage. This is the important thing. Remedial English. So communication is necessary for college students because they fail many times in communication skill test. So status of literacy of women, ये some points हैं. We are just just over we are just taking कि woman is increased from 30 to 70 when compared to past years in employment sectors organized in the IT's field. Accept the contradicts view, express your argument with few facts, cases, and newspapers, publications, express without hurting others' feelings. Suggestions. Now we are just concluding our discussion. Yes, suggestions. Some suggestions are there. So never try to bluff. So what is the meaning of bluff? Ki we are we are not supposed to cheating and saying something wrong, okay, telling a lie. This is a very bad thing because they all are qualified and experienced people are there, right? So we are not supposed to bluffing or try to cheating or try to telling a lie something in front of them. Okay, so never ever try to bluff. Whatever you are, just express yourself, either something is related or not. Okay, so you need to never try to bluff. Practice group discussion with friends on different subject. बेटा अगर लगता है कि आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल, आई एम हैविंग फीलिंग हेजिटेशन and I'm unable, I'm not having good communication skills well, so just try to practice. Practice makes a man perfect, right? So practice group discussion with friends on different subject. Remember, speech is a powerful weapon. So first of all, just it should be clear and it should be in your mind, if we are not practicing, so how can we perform well? Okay, so this is the very most important thing. Okay, so we need to practice. Then after these are some points, Ishita, the topics of importance frequently discussed. So these are some points of GD. Is India shining? Mobile phones, boon, curds, students focusing on software industry, good or bad, child marriage, India 2020. These are some highlighting points. Influence of Western culture in Indian universities, influence of computers and medical. So these are some very basic or frequently discussed these topics. So I hope everything is clear. Ishita,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? अब ये बताओ कि इस टॉपिक में से ऐसा कौन सा टॉपिक है जिस पर आप मुझे सिर्फ 5 मिनट्स बोल के दिखा दो. Only 5 minutes. I'm just giving you these topics. Just try to speak on 5 minutes only. Only 5 minutes. Can you speak?
Ma'am, just a minute.
Yes, only 5 minutes. Can you speak? Only
Ma'am,
5 minutes. Any topic. You can take any topic. Just try to speak. Only
ma'am,
five
show me.
minutes. Screen is visible or not?
Yes, no, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Just a minute, Ishita. Just a minute. Now,
No,
no,
ma'am.
just a minute. The technical issues. Just a minute. Now,
Ma'am.
now,
मैम इसको थोड़ा बड़ा कर दो मैम, दिखने पता सब।
हाँ मैं एक सेकेंड बेटा. Now, clear?
तो हाँ, यस मैम.
हाँ, just take any topic and start speaking beta. Only for
यस.
5 minutes. Do fast.
मैम मोबाइल फोन and internet a boon or a nuisance?
Okay, mobile phones, internet, a boon or news. Okay, very good. So start speaking. Yes, Ishita, start.
Ma'am, just a minute.
Okay. Say something on mobile phones beta. इशिता.
मैं कर रही थी. यस मैम.
हाँ जल्दी करो फटाफट. I think GD is clear now. All points.
यस मैम.
Okay, very good.
मैम आप थोड़ा सा स्टार्ट कर दोगे, मतलब मुझे लाइन दे दोगे?
स्टार्ट करिए, बताइए. समझ में नहीं आ रहा बेटा.
नो मैम, मतलब जस्ट अ सेकंड.
क्या? कुछ लाइंस बोलनी है आपने. एक जो टॉपिक चूज किया है मोबाइल फोन्स पे, कुछ लाइंस बोलनी है आपको.
Okay, ma'am. So mobile phones and nuisance, like a boon or a
यस.
nuisance. Ma'am,
हाँ
it
यस.
depends. It actually depends on a person. Like mobile
हम्म.
phones and internet, they are like a boon and or a nuisance. Depends on every person. If a
हम्म.
person like use or take an internet as an like a thing which helps you to like grow and learn, then it's a boon for everything, like boon for our economy and like person individuality and everything, like. But like there is a say now, like excess of everything is actually a nuisance. Excess of anything, like excess of internet, excess of use mobile using, it's actually a nuisance. If you use a phone or your internet excessively, then it will like destroy or like it will not help you. It will not help you out, like the
हम्म.
advantage will turn into a disadvantage. So it depends on a person. You can use an
हम्म.
internet is a good thing. It's not internet is a bad thing. Internet is actually a good thing, but it depends on your usage, how you use, where you use, how much you use. And yeah, and mobile phones are actually a godsend gift to everyone.
हम्म.
We can communicate with our family, friends, relatives from miles away. So it's actually a godsend gift. But yeah, usage of everything actually is not a good thing. What I feel. Should I say more?
स्पीक लाउडली थोड़ा.
Hello.
हाँ हाँ बेटा, कंटिन्यू.
Yeah. So for me, it's actually a boon because when I got my phone, I actually learned so many things.
ओके.
And for this COVID time, actually a very big boon. Like people can work from home, we can study from home. It's not
हम्म.
like it's not a good thing like we are studying from home and working from home. But yeah, it's like a loop for all of us, and if all of us would suddenly logged in our homes, and if we have not having our mobile phones and internet, then this period would have been very difficult to survive. So yeah, mobiles actually help to survive this COVID very far, and internet is like a worldwide thing. You can do whatever you want to do. Depends on you how you use it, like the way how you use it. So depends. It depends on every person.
चलो, very good, Ishita. So, okay, Ishita, our topic is clear actually. So now I'm
Yes.
just officially closing this meeting. Okay, beta, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.